Nurse Karen here, and as promised, I have the first aid kits all put together for you in your classroom. So I wanted to do a little tutorial on them. They are pretty self-explanatory, but first of all, I really want to thank our former mailman, Larry, for donating all of these wonderful boxes to us. And thanks to Lisa for reaching out to him and letting him know that we needed some boxes. So this is awesome. These are for you to keep in your room during the year, and then you'll be turning them back into me at the end of the year so I can fill them back up, and you'll have them again for the following year. So let's just quickly go through them. As you can see on this part, I have bandages, and I have 2 large bandages in there too if somebody skins their knee, and some gauze. And then up here I have some safety pins, and I have the tooth case that everybody loves, some gloves, and then this is some Vaseline for everyone for chapped lips. And I put Q-tips in there for them to get it out of there. And just remind your students not to double dip. And if they do, just take the part out that they double dipped in and throw it away. So if you run out of anything, just have one of your students bring it down to us and we'll fill it back up for you. And we hope that this makes learning a little bit better for the kids and they don't have to run out of the room for every little thing. Thank you.